Mixing traditions, blending cultures in our global society. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, mixing traditions. This concept is not just about language, but it also offers a glimpse into how cultures interact and influence each other in our increasingly connected world. So, let's dive in and understand what mixing traditions really means. Mixing traditions refers to the blending or combining of customs, practices, or beliefs from different cultures or societies. This can happen in various contexts like food, music, festivals, or even everyday habits. When people from different backgrounds come together, they often share and integrate aspects of their culture with one another, leading to a rich and diverse blend. Let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine a wedding where the bride is from Japan and the groom is from Brazil. Their wedding might include both a traditional Japanese tea ceremony and a lively Brazilian samba dance. Or consider food fusion, like a taco filled with Korean-style barbecue. These are all instances of mixing traditions, where elements from different cultures are combined to create something unique and new. Why is this important? Mixing traditions is a sign of a healthy, multicultural society. It fosters understanding and respect among people from different backgrounds. It's also a way for cultures to evolve and stay relevant in a globalized world. By embracing and mixing traditions, we open ourselves up to new experiences and broaden our perspectives. I hope this video has shed some light on the beautiful and complex concept of mixing traditions. It's a testament to how interconnected our world has become and a reminder of the richness that cultural diversity brings to our lives. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you. Stay curious and keep learning.